Okay, what is ad rank and how it affects the CPC? Great question. And this is one of the most commonly asked questions. So I've got a little table so I can show you and explain to you what this is. So you got four advertisers, right? Four ads at the top of Google page one. Advertiser A ranked 1, B ranked 2, C ranked 3, D ranked 4. So the number one is number one. The advertiser A is number one because it has got the highest ad rank of 80, 50, 30, and 10, right? So you want the ad rank to be the highest so that you beat your competitors. So on here, the impression on absolute top would be 1, impression on top 1, and so on, right? 100% here and 100% there. Then this advertiser ranked second, which is advertiser B, has got an ad rank of, can you guys see this properly here? I think you can. Yeah. 50, then you got 0 over here, 1, and so on. So you can read the table as this is how it's going to rank the advertisers. So better ads mean better ad rank. Google is in the business of clicks. If they don't get clicks, they don't make money. And you won't make money because you're not going to get traffic to your website. So every time someone does a search that triggers an ad that's competing in an auction, they calculate an ad rank. This is what it is. So this calculation incorporates your bid and auction time measurements. So these happen in literally milliseconds of expected CTR, ad relevance, and these are the three things which you need to pay a lot of attention to. This is what made up of your ad rank and quality score. Expected CTR, ad relevance, and the landing page experience. There are some other important factors as well, but mostly Google doesn't tell us what they are, but these three things we can control. To determine the auction time quality components, Google weighs a number of different factors. So by improving the following factors, you can help improve the quality of your ad rank. So expected click-through, the higher the click-through rate, that means more clicks for Google, more clicks for you. They make money, you make money. Ad relevance to the search campaign or to the search. How relevant is your ad to what somebody's searching? If somebody's searching for apples and you're showing apples, great match. Google is going to love you. And obviously the quality of the landing page. How relevant, transparent, and easy to navigate your pages. Because Google is referring people from their platform to yours. They don't want to send somebody to a spammy page. This is why AdWords or Google Ads work really well. It never sends you to something really dodgy or spammy. Yeah. So the quality of your landing page is what is important. Google wants to send the visitor to a really good page, which is relevant, has got all the transparency with regards to policies, terms. If it's an e-commerce store, what is your shipping, refund policy, and all of that got to be transparent. And obviously, it looks at how easy it is to navigate your page. Here's a little video on YouTube, which we have. It explains this in real detail. It's one of my best videos, actually. It's got over 134,000 views. So you can take it from here. This is the one, how to rank your ad number one and pay the lowest CPC. And that is through the quality score and ad rank and how Google calculates these things.